Hey y'all, welcome back to my kitchen. It's me, Debbie. Hope you're having a good day. Today I'm going to be making some jerk chicken in the oven. Now here in this bowl I have about 3 to 4 pounds of leg and thigh that I've soaked in lemon juice and water. Remove the skin, trim the fat, and I actually chopped them already, so when they finish cooking it's easy for me. Plus the chops get the marinade all up in here. So I'm going to season this up. Here in this bowl I have about a 1/4 cup of store-bought jerk marinade. In this bowl I have the dry ingredients I'm mixing, which include a teaspoon and a half of brown sugar, teaspoon of paprika, teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of allspice, teaspoon of poultry seasoning, and teaspoon of onion powder. Now something else I have over here, star anise and cloves. I don't have a grinder, so what I had to do was leave them in the bag, wrap them in the paper towel on the cutting board, and beat them with this because I didn't want the chunks. I wanted to grind them up. Now I know, Christopher, one other kitchen gadget that I need for Christmas is a spice grinder. I hope you're hearing me. So in the marinade, I'm going to add a pinch of the cloves and a pinch of the star anise. Oops. And mix that up really good. And then all the dry ingredients in here that I've already mixed up, I'm going to add to this big bowl. This needs a little bit of liquid, so I'm going to add probably a teaspoon and a half of olive oil. As well as a tablespoon of low sodium soy sauce. Okay, I'm just gonna season up the chicken right now with all of this, leaving none out. Guys, if you didn't get the ingredients, I will list my blog, and you can always go on my blog, and the recipes you'll be able to save to your electronic device, or you can print them. I want to get it on both sides. I'm using store-bought marinade because I don't have all the ingredients I would to make it at home. And I haven't been feeling well this last week, and my husband stopped at the grocery store for me last night. And well, you know, man, shopping, groceries, not good. But you still want to say thank you. You don't want to say, oh, you didn't get me this, or oh, because that's the old me, honestly. But I have learned, oh my God, I have learned. Oh, you didn't get me this, you didn't get that. Oh my God, how could you forget that? No, it's thank you. Take my advice, okay? Alright guys, see, the chicken is fully marinated. I'm going to cover this and refrigerate this for at least 2 hours to get it to marinate, you know. Overnight is always best, but you know, an hour or two, fine. As long as you have good flavoring on your meat, an hour or two, you're good, okay? So I'm going to cover this and refrigerate it, and then we'll come back to cooking. Hey y'all, welcome back. It's been 2 hours since our chicken has been marinating, and I preheated my oven to 400. So let's get to cooking. What I'm doing is I pour a little bit of olive oil in the pan, and I am, greasing the pan. before I put the chicken in there. Okay, use my tongue. Okay, I'm gonna cook this in the oven. Like I say, it's preheated to 400. I'm gonna do this uncovered, but I don't want my chicken drying out or burning, but I do want a nice little brown color to them. So we will check in on the chicken in about 45 minutes, okay? Hey guys, so it's been what, 45 minutes. I said the chicken is the oven is just stopped for the chicken. So we're gonna do some additional stuff to that chicken now, okay? First, let me get the chicken out of the oven. This is what it looks like so far. And let me turn the oven back on 400 because you know when the timer goes off, the oven stops. And since we're not done, here to start off in this bowl, if you remember that big bowl that I seasoned the chicken in, whatever little drippings was left in there, I scrape it in here. Now to this, I am going to add, I don't even have my measuring spoon ready. I am going to add about a tablespoon of vinegar. This is balsamic vinegar. You can use apple cider. Told y'all I love balsamic because when it cooks out, it has this rich sweet taste and it thickens. I am also going to add another teaspoon of brown sugar. Is this it? Yes. This is the half teaspoon of brown sugar. I'm going to add a tablespoon of my low sodium soy sauce. I gotta get one of these. A tablespoon of the Jamaican Scotch bonnet because the jerk marinade I used was the medium, not the hot like my kids love. And then finally, some ketchup. I have a half a cup here, so I'm going to add a half a cup of ketchup. No, I need a cup of ketchup. Let me not stingy with the brushings of this chicken. So I'm doing a cup of ketchup. And let's stir this together very well. My kids prefer that I make jerk chicken on the grill. My husband is not a fan. Can you believe it? A man who is not a fan of the grill. So usually I will make it on the grill and make it in the oven. But today we're just going one way because I got a lot today. Okay, so that's what that looks like. I have my tongs here and the sauce. And we are going to rub this on the chicken. You want to get it in every crevice and corner of the chicken. Can't believe I just said that. On each piece. And then we're going to flip them and do the same thing. And the juice that is in the chicken from when it was cooking, it's not a lot. You don't have to worry about pouring that off. It's perfectly fine. Keeps your chicken nice and moist. And at the end, you have somewhat of a gravy. Okay, so I'm getting all of this in there, putting it in the sauce on the sides. And we are going to put this back in the oven for another 45 minutes, okay? The chicken is just done. Oh my goodness, look at this, guys. This looks, I think the word I'm looking for is delicious, decadent, and divine. All three. And look, in the bottom you have a little gravy. Maybe your family's not like mine. They're not big on gravy, but if you're big on it like I am, then there it is, guys. Homemade jerk chicken in the oven. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel. God bless you. Have a wonderful day.